We are using energy. We are saving energy. And we are creating energy to power your world. We are Fujian Rawsun Power Co Ltd. Rawsun Power is located on the south of China. Our brand Rawsun Power include open generators, silent generators, super silent generators, trailer generators, and container generators. Our proved engineers work seriously to study the generator's structure and design. Providing a complete solution is our guiding principle, and we never forget that quality control is our most important responsibility. For Rawsun Power's engineers, innovation is what we always insist on and has throughout anywhere in our product design and production. Rawsun Power covers totally 50,000 square meters production area with 3,000 units generators produced each year. Because we are the original manufacturer, we manufacture all of the generator sets component parts. Our specialized metal treating factory is composed by all the modern automation equipment, from metal cutting, CNC punching, bending, welding, and polishing. The entire process is finished under the monitor of engineers and technicians. The canopy parts have to undergo a series of chemical treatments and drying treatments before they are being painted. After that, strictly quality control is necessary. Because we have experienced workers to fulfill the complex assembly. And our skillful electrical workers do the control panel wiring in accordance with the engineer's drawing very seriously. We make our generators more powerful, more reliable, and more safety. As we ready keep in mind, quality is the goal of Rawsun Power. We know it and we do it. Each generator goes through 50 minutes of load testing before sending to distributors. This is to ensure that every detail of our generators are in line with Rawsun Power's established standards. But we don't just give you energy, we give you much more. As one of the most humanized generators, we design our generators to be weatherproof and rustproof. We give you more compact generators, more silent generators, more convenient generators, and best quality generators. Rawsun Power generators are widely used in mining, railway, factory, building, military, telecommunication, and other industries. Our equipment can withstand harsh environment of mountainous and can withstand temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. We develop super silent generators to suit for special places where require very low noise. Rawsun Power always following the advanced technology of generator field. We have got a variety of patent certificate and have passed ISO 9001 certificate, CE certificate. Over years of communication with the market, we have established a strong cooperation with world-famous companies such as CUMMINS, Marathon, Leroy Somer, Yanmar, DOOSAN, PERKINS, and so on. Rawsun Power generators have sold to the world market, and because of our high quality, advanced technology, professional service, and timely after-sales team, we have been approved by all of our clients. Rawsun Power look forward to cooperate with you.